Hey, it's Patrick Cuneta. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're talking about how to build persistence. If you've been following any of my other videos, you know that I've been going through a lot of different things lately in my life, in my family situations, my living situation, just overall a lot of negative things happening and a lot of really big changes going on. And I've noticed that, during these times, I've had to persist stronger than ever before. And I've been thinking about that lately, the fact that I've had to persist with my YouTube and keep on going with my business. And obviously I have a million other things going on in my life right now. But I've had to, like I said, persist more than I ever have in my entire life. And I've noticed in my own life, I've been able to develop quite a bit of persistence in my life in general overall. And I feel like, I can definitely share a few tips with you guys today, just talking about persistence, because persistence is so important. It is one of the most important parts of achieving success, of achieving any goal in your life, whether it's a career goal or a fitness goal or learning a new skill or like literally anything, any kind of goal you have to be persistent in order to achieve that goal, because you have to keep on going and keep persisting until that goal is complete and the destination has been reached. So like I said, persistence is super important. Of course it is. So how do you develop persistence? Well, there's a few different factors that can affect it, and I believe the number one key to developing persistence is to pursue your passions. Make sure that your life isn't aligned with your passions, with your talents, with the things you really love to do, the things you're really, really passionate about. Because when you can, like I said, align your life with your passions, build an entire career path around your passions, surround yourself with your passions, engage in your hobbies all the time, just literally creating a life that you're passionate about is the number one thing to building persistence, because it's going to keep you motivated. It's going to develop that drive for you to keep on going every single day, because you're going to enjoy the work that you're doing. You're going to enjoy the process of achieving your goals, of working towards your goals, because you're passionate about it. And that is the number one thing that has allowed me to develop a huge amount of persistence in my life. Just look at this YouTube channel, for example. I've been going, it was daily uploads for a very, very long time. I know it's been shaky lately, like I said before, but I've been working on this YouTube channel for probably 8 or 9 months now, like every single day, working on my YouTube, working on my Instagram, just trying to build an audience, trying to create more content, trying to do this and this and this. I've been going hard every single day for a very long time. And that is because I'm really passionate about my work. I'm really passionate about what I'm building, what I'm creating, about helping other people and sharing just all kinds of open-minded, incredible topics. I love what I do. I love making videos. I love the whole entire process of, working towards my goals, which is to be successful on YouTube and be able to help maybe millions of people online someday. So that is the number one thing to developing persistence, is to have that passion. And another thing along the lines of passion is to develop a definite purpose. You need to develop a purpose in your life, something that you believe is truly, truly your purpose. And this purpose will definitely have something to do with your passions. It'll be something along the lines of your passions. Like I said, it's got to be in alignment with that. And when you can, by pursuing your passions, explore a bunch of different things in your life, and if you can keep doing this, then eventually you will start to discover, at least one definite purpose for yourself in your life. One true purpose that you want to achieve, like literally what you want to do with your life for sure. Like you got to know for a fact what your purpose in life is. And when you can develop a definite purpose based on your passions, then it's just going to allow you to persist even further, because that's going to be literally your life purpose. You literally are making this thing your purpose in life, and you just keep on going and keep on going, and that's going to fuel the fire even more. Now, the last part of this whole little, these tips here is going to be building that process, building the process of, achieving your dreams. And it's basically, what the process is basically like, what are you doing every single day in order to achieve your goals, in order to achieve your purpose, in order to manifest your dreams into reality, in order to create the life you want to create? What do you need to do every single day in order to get there? So what I like to do is, imagine where you want to be in your life. Imagine already living and achieving your purpose, your dreams. Imagine, the craziest, most incredible life that you can possibly live. Now imagine that place and compare it to where you are right now, and also the type of person that you are, who you want to become based off of, in comparison to who you are now. So compare where you are now, like I said, to the future that you want, and ask yourself, what do I need to do every single day in order to get from point A to point B? Like literally, what do I need to do every single day? And let me give you an example. If you want to be a bodybuilder or something, if you want to, get some crazy huge muscles and just develop a freaking monster physical body, then obviously you need to exercise and work out and diet every single day in order to get there. And if you can build that persistence, build that process that works for you, that you're passionate about, that's aligned with your purpose, aligned with your passions, and you can keep on going, then you're going to be able to be very, very persistent once you develop that process. Because, another thing is, we are creatures of habit. That's what human beings are. We like to have, repetition and things like that. That's the best way to really build self-discipline as well, which is a huge part of it, is just developing that process, of achieving your dreams and developing those daily routines and those daily habits as well. And when you can, include all these tips into your life, when you can implement these tips into what you're doing, then you will be able to develop huge amounts of persistence, because you're going to have that passion, you're going to have that purpose, you're going to develop a process that works for you, one that's not too hard for you to complete, but also one that's challenging you in your day-to-day. And just developing that, you're going to be able to develop massive amounts of self-discipline. You're going to be so excited about what you're doing every day. You're going to be so passionate about what you're doing every day, and you're going to be able to persist through anything. Like, no matter what goes on in your life, no matter if you get kicked out of your house, no matter if, like I said, all these bad things happen to you, you're going to be able to persist through everything. Like I said, there's been a lot of stuff going on in my life lately. Like, I basically got kicked out of my house for no good reason. I was essentially facing being homeless. I would be probably living in my car right now or sleeping on people's couches if I wasn't for, my friend here pretty much saving me. And, through all of this stuff that's going on, there's a million other things as well. Through all this stuff, I've been able to persist. And I know I haven't been as consistent as before, but I've been able to persist through all of this stuff because I'm really passionate about my work. I believe I do have a definite purpose, and I developed a very good process for myself. And like I said, I'm really just talking about the principles that I've learned throughout my experience, throughout my life, that have really, really helped me. And I firmly believe that these principles can be applied to anybody's life in order to allow them to achieve great success, to achieve their goals and live a happy, fulfilling life. So, these are really a lot of the principles of success itself, but like I said, persistence is so huge. Persistence is one of the things that's going to allow you to get there in the end, because like I said, when you can persist, when you can keep going and keep working hard and develop a good process and keep on going, then you will achieve your goals in the end. So thank you so much for listening, guys. Those are a few of my tips on how to develop persistence in your life. Like I said, I believe anybody out there can apply these to their own life in order to develop persistence and to create an incredible life for yourself. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Don't forget to check out the description. Get your Mind Power merch out today. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Got plenty more coming soon. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Have a great day. Peace.